Let me show you 7 AI tools that are replacing apps people pay hundreds of dollars for every month. Each one does something specific, and most people have never heard of half of them. Now let's go. Number 1. If you want to write anything, emails, contracts, scripts, reports, anything at all, use Claude AI, not ChatGPT. Here's why. Claude writes better than ChatGPT for long documents. It thinks through the structure before it writes. It sounds more human.
Or you download the app, type in this prompt, write a professional email declining a business transaction. What Claude AI does was to structure your prompt. You can see polite and firm. Then he said leave the door open. You can see. So it actually structured it well, then makes it more human. And if you read through what this has actually generated, you discover that is actually far better than ChatGPT.
Number 2. Learning. NotebookLM. Cancel Udemy. Cancel Coursera. This one tool replaces both. Upload any PDF, research paper, or document. NotebookLM reads it, then teaches you. It answers your questions. It adapts to your level. And here's the feature that changes everything. It converts your document into a podcast. 2 AI voices having a full conversation about the content, breaking it down like a real discussion.
So you can go to their website here, or you download on Play Store or Apple Store. So first thing first, add the source of your document. It can be PDF, audio, image, or even website, YouTube, or a complete text. So after uploading your document, you can go to studio from here. Then from here, if you want an audio overview of what you partially uploaded, you can click here. If you want a video overview of what if you want a slide deck, you can do that flashcard. Then if you want it to generate questions for you, quiz, you can see it here, infographics, then a complete report. You get. So you can see it's actually generating the audio. Now listen to one of the audio that have been generated.
2026, a massive corporate entity didn't need a Wall Street bank to send money across the globe. They just needed like a 12-digit cell phone number in Uganda.
Yeah, it's pretty wild to think about.
It really is. Welcome to today's deep dive, where we're basically dissecting a single digital receipt from June 16th, 2026.
Number 3. Brainstorming. ChatGPT. Business ideas, content angles, video topics, product names, marketing strategies. ChatGPT generates more ideas faster than any other tool alive.
In times of brainstorming, no one does it better than ChatGPT. So let's try with this prompt. So give me 10 profitable online business idea I can start from Nigeria with little capital. So let's try this. So here we go. And the breakdown. So if you want to go deeper, you can say go deeper on idea number 2. Give a step-by-step breakdown of how to start, who to target, and how to make money from it. Then ChatGPT does the rest of the work. Once you get the prompt right, the ChatGPT is ready to do the dirty job for you. Here's complete breakdown. Then if you want to know how to market this, you can actually brainstorm with ChatGPT by using these prompts. Now give me 5 ways to market this business online without spending money on hacks. Then ChatGPT will give you the breakdown of how you can actually get this done. So when it comes to brainstorming, ChatGPT is a class of its own.
Number 4. Task automation. Manus AI. This one is different from everything else on this list. Manus is not a chatbot. It's an AI agent. You give it a full task, it goes and completes it. Number 5. Presentations. Gamma AI. Shut down PowerPoint. Close Canva. You don't need either. Type your topic. Pick a style. Gamma builds a full professional presentation, complete slides, proper structure, clean design in under 2 minutes. Number 6. Images. ChatGPT Image and Nano Banana 2. You don't need Midjourney. You don't need Adobe Firefly. ChatGPT Image right now produces the most realistic AI images available.
So I created this thumbnail with ChatGPT. This is amazing. And look at this. I said replace 127 view with the reference image. And ChatGPT actually does exactly that. This is a game changer in the graphic design world. So all these images were created using ChatGPT, just with a simple prompt. Premium graphics is truly a game changer in the graphic design, where a lot of the graphic designers are going to be replaced, are going to lose their job because of these amazing things AI is bringing to the table.
And it finally gets text inside images right, something older tools completely failed at. Nano Banana 2 goes further, infographics, diagrams from handwritten notes, visual content in multiple languages. This is the future of digital content creation. Here's your full list. Writing Claude AI, learning NotebookLM, brainstorming ChatGPT, task automation Manus AI, presentations Gamma AI, images ChatGPT image or Nano Banana 2, video Higgsfield AI. Save this video. You will need this list. Drop the word AI in the comments and I'll send you a full compilation with all the links. Like this video if it added value and subscribe to Digitex.